What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another review video, and this one is going to be for the Kitchenexus oven range hood that goes above your oven, gas or electric, doesn't matter. This is a 30-inch oven hood, stainless steel, looks great, has two super bright LEDs, and just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is going to be the link for this exact same kitchen oven hood where you guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself. Without further ado, we're going to go to my brother's house where we installed this. So let's go ahead and whip on over there, and we're going to show you how to install it, a couple tips and tricks. We're going to show it to you. Again, this has 3-speed fan, 2 super bright LED lights, and not to mention is a wonderful kitchen hood that remodels your kitchen and just gives it a facelift as well, which is fantastic. After we installed this, my brother actually went out and bought a newer stainless steel oven to match it perfectly, and it looks great. So let's go ahead and shoot on over to my brother's house. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. Well, today, folks, we have an exciting day. Today is the remodel day. We will be, of course, replacing this electric range hood. It doesn't have to be electric. This vent hood can go with gas as well. This is the old one. This is the original from the model of the home. And the stainless steel one is definitely going to be a nice upgrade for this. So it's very simple to take out your old one. What you want to do is you want to come underneath the hood here, look in the back corners here, and you're going to see a couple screws. Yours should be similar to this. There's going to be one in each corner there and there, coming around here to right here. We're actually missing one, and up above right here. You might actually have some in the studs in the back here, or here as well. And then also we're going to be checking, I don't know if this has a plug in the back or if we're going to have to hardwire this, which of course we will be showing you that. So let's go ahead and remove those screws, drop down this old one. All right, after bringing the screws down, unfortunately, this is a hard wired one. Now, if you have the type of construction where your microwave is above the range, then most likely in your drawers above your range, you're gonna have an outlet up here or behind it somewhere right around here. So unfortunately, not that big of a deal, but we will be hard lining this in. This is a step where if you do need to do this, be careful. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going to the breaker box. We're gonna be turning off this area here so that there's no power to it. We're gonna be cutting that hardwire cord, cutting the plug off of the new range, and then rewiring it, putting some electrical tape or some nice electrical conduit screw caps on to prevent electrical shock, and so then we can then mount the new one back in. Again, an extra step that unfortunately we have to do, but some of you guys might be facing this when you do purchase yours. And all your hardware is going to be underneath the filters here. They just lift up right here, and you will have blue iodized tape. Go ahead and peel that off as well. And then there is one more strip of blue iodized tape there. And then once you're ready to go, these just slip right back in. You press these down right here. And again, your instruction manual, and then all of your mounting hardware is going to be in this little area here. And sorry, it's a little bit dark here. We did have to cut the breaker to the light. All right, guys, as you can see here, it's a little bit tricky, but this one on my left is our white neutral. We have our black, and then we have a bare wire, which is our ground there. What we're gonna do is we are gonna match that up. We've clipped off the plug, we've stripped the wire, and the bare wire is gonna connect to the green. White to white, black to black, and again, the green one is gonna be connecting to the bare wire, which in this case is wrapped in this special little kind of paper covering there. That is your bare wire. We're gonna be rigging that up, and I'll show you how. All right, guys, you don't have to do it this way, but this is a nice way to be able to protect the wires and prevent any shortages, etc. If you're in a crunch and don't have these, then electrical tape will do the trick. Just go ahead and twirl the wires together and go ahead and wrap them with electrical tape. We're gonna go a step further. Even though we do have these, we're gonna go ahead and put electrical tape over the top and around the bottom, just so that these plugs don't come undone or loosened while we're shoving it back into the hole which was already there. So this is working out fantastically. And according to the instructions, this is if you have an external vent then you go ahead and hook this up. It says it in the directions. We don't. We have an internal vent, so we're taking the carbon filter, putting it over the fan, clips in right here. You just go ahead and remove that, pops up, lay your carbon filter down, and put it back into place there. And then obviously the washable filters on the top, we're gonna get to that. All right, guys, overall a splendid project. Let's go ahead and check out those LED lights. And again, if there was an outlet above, this would be a start to finish project. Very quickly, but even with cutting the cord, not bad at all. Have a helper so that you guys can go ahead and drill in some screws, your hardware that is underneath the filters here. Again, 2 nice bright LED lights shining down on the stove here, even down here on the floor, really brightens up the kitchen a lot. Not to mention, looks fantastic with that stainless steel here. And we do have 3 fan options. And the lowest one there with the off button for the fan. And then this one, of course, would be for the off button for the light. Overall, I'm very impressed with it. Looks great. Definitely is a nice upgrade for your kitchen. Again, look for it in the description box below the video, guys. Thumbs up the video if you want to tackle this project and it's giving you good information. And look for those links in the description box below once again, and smash that thumbs up button. We appreciate you. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.